Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2017 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, 4-wheel drive. It's got 164,000 miles on it. It has an 11-foot service body with a Liftmore 5,000-pound crane. It has a VMAX gas air compressor on it. The air compressor, I'll go ahead and tell you, it kind of wants to over rev sometime. It probably needs some work on the carburetor or something like that, but it does run and build air, but it may need a little tinkering on it. But anyways, nice Texas truck, no rust. We just serviced it, put new tires on it. I had to put a new wireless transmitter receiver for the crane. Let's walk around and take a look at it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Go ahead and work the crane while I'm back here. Up. Side. I know it's windy out here today, bear with me. Like I said, that is a new transmitter and receiver on the crane. I actually had this truck ready and took it out to do our videos, and it quit working. The receiver went bad, so I just bought a new transmitter and receiver from Liftmore. One other thing I want to point out, this door right here looks like it's maybe had some damage at some time. It does close and seal, but you kind of got to give it a little push. This machine's only showing 13 hours right, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text me. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 a mile to get it shipped to you. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is we'll put it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama heading to Oklahoma or California or New Mexico, New York, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer than that. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. You know, it really depends on where you're located and what's headed in that way and all that good kind of stuff. But I say all that to say this: if you're one of the guys, you got to know the exact second someone's going to pull up in your driveway with it, the exact second they're going to pick it up. I can't tell you that. It's unrealistic. But if you feel like that, the only way to know those answers to those questions is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check or do a wire transfer. Has to be certified funds. We don't take personal checks or personal business checks, whatever you want to call them. It has to be a certified bank check. So please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to save the truck. I guess that's about it on this one. Again, it's a 17 F550, 164,000 miles on it. 11-foot body, 5,000-pound lift-more crane, VMAC gas air compressor. It's got one set of C-Tech drawers in it. Texas truck. We just serviced it, put new tires on it, so shouldn't need anything in the foreseeable future, but who knows? You never know when buying a used truck. We try to check them out, drive them, make sure they're good to go. But just last week I sold a guy a truck and he showed up and the air compressor went out on it, and we fixed it right there on the spot for him. But that just goes to show you just never know what can happen. So anyways, if you're interested in this vehicle, give me a call or text me, 256-310-6852. Thanks for watching.